Here's a clean, YouTube-ready review. Paragraph style, simple English, smooth flow based on the Engadget review. And other trusted sources. The Antigravity A1 drone is one of the most unique drones ever made. It is developed as a new brand connected to Insta360, and instead of following the usual drone formula, it tries something completely different. This drone is built around a 360-degree camera system, which means it captures everything around you at once. You don't need to worry about framing your shot while flying. You can decide the angle later during editing, which feels like a big shift in how drones are used. The biggest highlight of the A1 is its ability to record 8K 360-degree video using dual cameras placed on the top and bottom. These cameras can even remove the drone itself from the footage, giving you a clean floating camera effect. This makes it perfect for creators who want cinematic and creative shots without worrying about drone positioning. However, because the 8K resolution is spread across a full 360 view, the final reframed video is not as sharp as traditional drones that shoot directly in 4K in terms of design. The drone is lightweight at just 249 grams, which helps avoid strict drone regulations in many regions. It comes as a full package with FPV goggles and a motion controller, making it feel more like a gaming system than a traditional drone. The goggles provide a fully immersive flying experience, and instead of using joysticks, you control the drone by pointing the controller where you want it to go. This makes flying feel like playing a video game, and for beginners, it can actually be easier to learn. The flying experience is where the A1 really stands out. You are not limited by the direction of the camera, so you can fly in one direction while looking in another. This creates a very natural and immersive feeling that most drones simply cannot match. It also includes different flight modes like normal, sport, and cinematic mode, allowing you to switch between smooth video capture and faster movement. Battery life is decent, offering around 20 to 24 minutes of flight time, and the drone supports quick battery swaps. It also includes useful features like return to home, subject tracking, and AI-powered editing tools. The editing software is a big advantage because it lets you easily create complex shots, like barrel rolls or tracking effects, with just a few taps. However, the A1 is not perfect. One of the biggest issues is usability. The setup process can feel complicated, especially when pairing the drone, goggles, and controller. The controls, while innovative, may feel strange at first and take time to master. There are also some software bugs and connection issues reported during testing, including problems transferring videos and occasional glitches in recorded files. Another downside is performance compared to traditional drones.